Hello to all the beautiful people who have decided to be here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Kenyatta here. Today I'm going to be showing all my people out there in Loc Nation how I did this super cool and easy style using infinity braids. First, shouts out to my fellow YouTuber, Another Braid, for inspiring this style. This video will be part 1 of my new series on this channel called Lockdown Mimics. Don't forget to check out my previous video, Infinity Braid on Locs, to see how I created these infinity braids. Now, let's get into this style. So as you can see, I have finished all of my infinity braids, okay? I have a total of 6 infinity braids done from the 6 crisscross braids in the front, all right? And what I'm going to go ahead and do now is cute little style. So the first thing I'm going to do this cute little style in the back is cross these over like this, the 2 at the top, because I have 6 crisscross. Then I'm going to take this and put it under this one, all right? Just like that. I'm going to take this one and put it over this one, under the middle, just like that. Feel free to rewind if you need to. Then I'm going to take this one and put it over this one, and under this one. All right? And on this side, with these two, I'm going to take this one and put it over. No, actually, I'm going to go ahead and put it under, and then over, just like that. Now I'm going to take a rubber band and secure these 2 sides here. So with these 3 on this side here, I'm just going to go ahead and put a rubber band on it. So I kind of did like a one plait stitch. I'm just going to secure this end with rubber band. Okay. Like that. Then these 3 on this side, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put a rubber band. Okay. Put it together. Put a rubber band on it. I just kind of crossed it over like that. Just put it together. Put a rubber band on it. Rubber band doesn't have to be tight, just has to hold. So now that I did that part, I have 2 sections here, and I think what I'm going to do is just wrap it around the hair that's hanging down under the ponytail. See, just like that. And I'm going to put a rubber band right on there. And I'm only going to loop it on there once. See, just like that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think about this style using infinity braids. Turn on your notifications, backhand slap that bell like it stole something from you, and please share this video on all of your social media platforms. Sharing is caring. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe. Rock with your girl. Until the next video, it's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.